everyone, for today's video, our topic is about illustrating the slope of a line. The slope of a line is a number that measures the steepness of the line, represented by m, defined as the ratio of the vertical change between 2 points to the horizontal change between the same 2 points. The vertical change is referred to as the rise, and the horizontal change as the run. In symbol, m equals to rise over run. Okay, let's have example finding the slope of a line given the 2 points. So remember natin, ang slope daw is equals to rise over run. So pag rise, meron tayong upward and downward movement. Kapag upward, ibig sabihin ito ay positive. Kapag downward, ibig sabihin ito ay negative. Then yung run natin, meron tayong to the left and then to the right. Kapag to the left, ito ay negative. Kapag to the right, ito ay positive. Okay, so let's have identify the slope in this given figure. Okay, so lagi tayong magsisimula sa bottom part ng point. So pinakamababang point. So since ito yung pinakamababa point na nasa point of origin, ang gagawin natin, magmumove tayo rise. It's either upward or downward. So yung point na to, so ang gagawin nating movement ay pataas. So we have one movement upward. Therefore, ang ating rise ay positive 1. Then, from this point, move tayo to the right. So tingnan natin kung ilan yung gagawin nating movement. So 1, 2. So nag-move tayo ng dalawang beses to the right. So therefore, positive then, it's positive 2. So ang slope natin is m equals to 1/2, or our slope is equals to 1/2. Next example, so finding the slope of a line of given 2 points. Again, our slope is equals to rise over run. Okay, so mag-start tayo sa pinakamababang point. So ito yung pinakamababang point natin. So tatapatan natin tong point na to. So movement natin upward, 1, 2. So ito na yung katapat niya. So therefore, ang movement natin upward ay positive 2. Then, movement tayo to the left, papunta dun sa second point natin, 1, 2. So, nag-move tayo ng 2 to the left. So, ibig sabihin, negative 2 yung movement natin. So, therefore, kung i-simplify natin siya, ang slope natin ay 2 divided 2 is negative 1. So, our slope is negative 1. Another example. So, our slope is equals to rise over run. Okay, so punta tayo sa pinakamababang point. Ito yung pinakamababang point. Then, ito yung second point natin. So, from this point, ilang movement yung gagawin natin pataas sa katapat na second point. So, we have one movement. So, therefore, ang ating rise ay positive 1. And then, the next one, from this point, so move tayo papunta sa second point. 1, 2. So, 2 movements to the right, therefore, positive 2. So, our slope is equals to 1/2. Okay, next example natin. Again, our slope is equals to rise over run. Okay, so dito tayo sa pinakamababang point. So ito yung pinakamababang point, ito yung first point. Magmo-move tayo dito papunta sa second point natin. So ilang movement upward yung gagawin natin? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, we have 5 movements papunta dun sa ating second point. So, therefore, positive 5 yung ating rise. Then, to the left side tayo. From this point, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ang movement natin is negative 4 dahil to the left tayo. So, therefore, ang slope natin is equals to negative 5 over 4. So, m is equals to negative 5 over 4. What if kapag ganito yung ating line? So, ano kaya ang magiging slope natin kapag ganito yung ating given? So, again, slope natin is equals to rise over run. Okay, so since mapapansin natin sa given natin, wala tayong mababang point dahil pantay lang naman sila. So, dito na lang tayo magsisimula sa left side natin. Tingnan natin, meron ba tayong makukuha, meron ba tayong movement na gagawin pataas or pababa? Okay, so since ang movement na gagawin natin ay hindi naman tayo aangat, hindi rin tayo bababa, therefore wala tayong movement na ilalagay. So ang ilalagay natin ay 0 para sa rise natin. Then movement natin is to the right. So 0 over 1 or positive 1. So m is equals to 0 divided 1 is equal to 0. So ito yung tinatawag nating zero slope. So kapag horizontal line siya, ang slope natin ay 0. Okay, next. Kapag ang example naman natin ay vertical line, so ano kaya ang magiging slope natin? So again, slope equals to rise over run. Okay. So pili tayong mababa. Itong pinakamababang point natin. Ilan beses kaya tayo mag-rise? So 1, 2. So, ang rise natin is equals to 2 movement. So, therefore, positive 2 dahil upward siya. Upward movement. Next, tingnan natin kung meron ba tayong left side, right side. So, wala tayong left side, right side. So, therefore, eto na yung magiging, dito na lang, mag-stay put na lang tayo dyan sa point na yan. So, therefore, ang ilalagay natin sa ating run ay 0. 2 divide 0 is equals to undefined. Okay, so kapag ang graph natin ay vertical line, so therefore, ang slope niya ay undefined. Given the equation of the line written in standard form ax plus by equals c, the slope is the ratio of the additive inverse of the coefficient a to coefficient b. And symbol, slope equals to negative a over b. So kapag equation naman ang given natin para ma-identify natin slope, gagamitin natin itong given formula na nakalagay dito, yung negative a over b. Okay, let's have example. 2x minus 3y is equals to 6. Since kung mapapansin natin, naka-standard form naman siya na ax. Naka-standard form na siya na ax plus by equals to c. So, para makuha natin yung slope, sabi natin, ang slope niyan is negative a over b. So, a natin is 2. B is equals to negative 3. And then, so yun lang. So, slope is negative a. Negative 2, substitute natin yung value ng a and b, and then b natin is negative 3. So, slope is negative 2 divide negative 3 is positive 2 over 3. So, ang slope natin ay positive 2 over 3. Another example, 5x equals to 8 plus 5y. So, una, ayusin muna natin tong equation into standard form. Standard form ax plus by equals to c. So, 5x, lipat natin ngayon yung positive 5y sa left side ng equation. So, magiging 5x positive 5y magiging negative 5y or 5 minus 5y equals to 8. Now, identify the a. A is equal to positive 5. B is equal to negative 5. So, slope formula natin for equation is negative a over b. Substitute natin yung value ng a. So, negative 5 divide by, yung b natin is negative 5. So, negative 5 divide negative 5 is positive 1. So, our slope is equals to positive 1. Okay, for the last example, we have 7 minus 4y minus 20x equals to c. So, i-rewrite natin siya into standard form ax plus by equals to c. So, since constant lang yung nasa right side, constant lang ang ililipat natin to the right side. So, maiiwan negative 4y minus 20x equals to negative 7. Kasi from positive, magiging negative 7. Then, ayusin natin, ang mauuna is yung may variables na x. So, negative 20x minus 4y equals to negative 7. Then, since standard form natin is positive, kailangan natin siya i-multiply both side by negative 1 para maging positive yung ax natin. So, negative 1 times negative 20 is positive 20x. Negative 1 times negative 4y is positive 4y. Negative 1 times negative 7 is positive 7. Since naka-standard form na siya, value ng a natin is 20. Value ng b natin is 4. Slope formula is equals to negative a over b. Substitute natin. So, negative 20 over 4. So, negative 20 divided 4 is equals to negative 5. So, our slope is equals to negative 5.